Good afternoon, Facebook friends. Well, it's a chilly, wintry morning out, and I've got a little problem here. I might need some advice from somebody. Okay, this is our original build. That vent's coming out, that tote's coming out, and what you're looking at right there is going to be our kitchen. We're going to have patio doors. I'm going to have a deck, a covered deck, a screened-in deck to keep all the black flies out. But I'll show you what my problem is. Let's go inside and take a look. I had the patio doors roughed in on the inside, but I told the fella not to bother cutting through the wall until after I bought the patio doors, then I would figure out exactly when I would be putting them in. So I've got the patio doors right now, and I'm getting ready to put them in. This door here, I needed to get inside somehow because I had no doors at all put in. I'm gonna do it all myself. So I put these on, but these are gonna be temporary, so they're all coming off because this is gonna be our bedroom. So I don't want barn doors going into my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. It's gonna be 12 by 12. So yeah. We're gonna have a walk-in closet right there. And the door into the bedroom will be right there. Basically, that spot between the two is where our walk-in closet is going to be, in our hallway to get into the bedroom. And then my tote room, water, electrical, whatever I'm going to do out there will be between the two, maybe a laundry room. This here is going to be the kitchen. It's 13 by 16. But anyways, I'll show you what my problem is. I had an idea when I was designing it, but I didn't get 100% clarity from my wife. So I thought it'd be nice to have a 4-foot window. I'm now looking out towards the lake. I have a 4-foot window with a patio door beside it. I thought that would be perfect. But my wife says, no, you don't need a 4-foot window beside a patio door. Anyways, here's the problem. Right over here, you see a screw sticking out of the wall. That screw is the edge of our original build. So, what that means, just back up a little bit. What that means is that my patio doors are 1.5 feet away from the original building. My wife thought it would look nice if they were centered. So you can see the problem I've got. I'm glad I didn't have them cut the wall out, or else that's where they would be. But my wife doesn't want them there. So these patio doors have to be moved, and they're going to be about 18 inches away from this wall here. Basically, they're going to be centered. So here's what I'm kind of thinking. All you carpenters out there, you can tell me what you think. My opening right now is 82.5 inches high. But that, oh, that was some snow falling off the roof. Oh my goodness. But I got a 2x4 underneath, or 2x6 underneath. So I've got 84 inches. So 84 inches to this header. So what I'm thinking is put a couple of 2x6s over here. And then either A, cut this header off in here, or not even necessarily there, cut that header off over here somewhere and run another 2x6 underneath it. And then turn around and put a new header all the way across over to here. And then 2x6 underneath it and my patio doors. What I'm wondering, and this is where I need someone's opinion. What I'm wondering is, don't cut this off, leave it. Patio doors are 79 inches high. I've got 84 inches. I've got 5 inches right here. What I'm wondering is if I was to run, because there's gonna be another 2x6 here. And then if I was to put a 2x6 beside that, if I could run 3 2x4s standing up all the way across and use 3 2x4s as a header, that would give me 1.5, 3, that's 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. I can put something in to fill that little gap inside. So I basically have a 2x4, 2x4, and a 2x4 running across. And then cut all this stuff out and then brace it, re-brace it in here again. So option A is cut this off and make a new header across the whole length. Option B is to leave this, run 3 2x4s across, and use those 3 2x4s as a header, and then just fill in the gaps up here. When they put these when they put this opening in, they actually made it taller than what patio doors are, which kind of maybe might work out for me. I've got, like I say, once I take that 2x6 off on the bottom, I've got 84 inches. The patio doors are 79 inches high. So option A, like I said, option A is going to be to cut the end of that header off and put a whole new header against it over the patio doors. And option B is to leave the header and put 3 2x4s across and use them as a header. So 3 2x4s would be a height of 3.5 inches. I've got 5 inches. That gives me 1.5 inches for spray foam or whatever. So what I'm really looking for is a comment from a carpenter. Not necessarily just a wannabe. Not to put you down, because I'm a wannabe, actually. Yeah, I'm actually a wannabe. So anyways, my name is Jim, and you're at my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. So if you can subscribe, that would be awesome. Right down there in the bottom corner, hit that subscribe button and leave me your comments. And don't be too hard on me. I'm not a carpenter. I'm pretty good at it, but I'm not a carpenter. So there you go, option A or option B. Have a great day. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.